Hey guys, how's it going? Markel here, back with another video, and today I have for you guys the Ulanzi GP-16. This is basically a copy of the popular snap mount, and I caught it on Amazon. It was on sale for $18. Now, because I live in South America, obviously there's going to be an extra fee associated with that, so I still spent almost 40 bucks for this. But I guess if it was at its regular price of $29, it probably would have cost me close to $60 to get it here. But anyway, for those of you not familiar with this will be your first time seeing this, but this is an accessory for GoPros, Osmo Action, pretty much any action camera that uses the GoPro mounting system here, right here. So open this up, take a quick look at it. Yeah, that's everything in the box. So we get another pin screw here for the GoPro mount. We get a strap like you do, like I use with my Insta360 Go. This is going to come in handy. And then we actually get these three pieces. Now this is magnetized because it's supposed to be easy to hook these things up quickly and get them done. So, oh yeah, these magnets are pretty strong. And you want to be careful with these magnets. I've seen videos where people put their fingers in between these things and got them caught, and they had a bad day. So you want to be careful with these things, all right? So we're going to hook it up to the GoPro. Matter of fact, let me set these off away from each other so I don't accidentally hurt myself while doing this. But I'm going to take this first one here, hook it up, and just getting it in here is pretty tight, just getting it in. You line up your holes, and then you're going to use this connector that came with it, right? It's not like the other ones, man. They go in pretty easy. This one did not. So just know when you get this the first time, it's going to be a little tight putting this in. Not too tight because I want to be able to adjust it. So yeah, you want to be able to adjust it, so not real tight. Okay, so this main piece is on, and then next you want to put this piece on for the strap. So it hooks on like so, and put this on. So we got the loop in, this is underneath your shirt, and then this attaches behind your shirt with the necklace. So that's the idea behind that one. And then this last one I have here is going on this mount. Yeah, this takes a little bit of getting used to when using this thing. Yeah, it's gonna take a little getting used to putting this on, but so the idea is once you put this on, you should not have to worry about, you just switch from one mount to another mount, and now you're off from recording. This is open on this end, so you can use whatever you need to do there. And of course, you can adjust just the GoPro. I got a little too tight, but if you need to adjust it, you can adjust just the GoPro itself, putting it in place that way. And then you can go from that one back over to the one you have, back over to the one you have mounted underneath your shirt, and boom, there you go. You get done with that one, pull it off, and go back to the other one. So yeah, so this is the Ulanzi GP-16, just a quick way to use GoPro. Instead of unscrewing constantly, it's just a magnetic system to make it easier. So we're gonna give this a try on my next trip I go on next week. I'll give you guys some feedback for those of you who may be interested, but it is on sale right now on Amazon for 18 bucks. All right, guys, I appreciate everybody watching as always. Until the next time, I'm out. Peace.